Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your toggle tray, which is the specific one located like right here where this bar is just kind of animating right now. Though if you do it, I believe once, it will disappear, so from that point you will just need to remember where it is, as you can see. So yeah, pull it from the right side. If you do it from the middle, as an example, it still apparently brings it down a little bit more to the left, and it brings out your notifications. So anyway, you want to pull down the toggles right here, and we're looking for the toggle for the Do Not Disturb mode, which it's right over here. I believe that is it, so I'm gonna test it out. Yep. Now the reason why I held it is because this will take me to the settings where I can customize it. Now the first time around, I do recommend you do the same thing, so you can see if the settings that are set by default accommodate for your needs. If they don't, obviously change them. So you can see we have things like schedule mode right here. We have the turn on, which is just a toggle. They don't have allow interruptions, calls and messages, so these are exceptions when the mode is enabled. You can set who will be able to bypass the mode right here. And also repeated caller ringtone. This will allow people to actually reach you when the mode is enabled, and this toggle right here completely bypasses whatever you have set right here for calls. So as you can see, we have favorite contacts, and basically any contact will be able to reach you, assuming that they will meet a requirement of calling you twice within a 3-minute period. As you can see, calls within 3 minutes will ring normally. So if that is something that you wouldn't want for obvious reasons, you might want to turn it off. For everybody else who maybe expects emergency calls and you have your mode enabled, usually emergency calls, people will spam call you, so they should probably meet that requirement. So like I said, if you don't want it, turn it off. If you do, keep it on. And whenever you want to utilize your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on a toggle, select on, and that's it. As you can see, it's running right here, and there's this tiny little icon right here just to signify that it is enabled right now. And I believe if we pull down our notifications, you can see that the icon has now a different shade to it. Instead of being like this grayish, deep gray color, it's now orangish. So it is running, and once you're done with it and you want to go back to your phone functioning normally, just press on it once more and this will automatically turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.